Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does food stamps check your bank account? This is one of the most common questions people have, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It really depends on your state's rules and your specific situation. Let's break it down. Historically, the SNAP program, which is what we call food stamps, had strict limits on what they called countable resources or assets. This means the money you have in savings, in a checking account, or even cash on hand. The federal guidelines typically set this limit around $2,750 for most households, or a higher amount, like $4,250, for households with a senior or a person with a disability. Under these traditional rules, if your bank account balance was over that limit, you would be denied benefits, regardless of your income. However, things have changed significantly. The vast majority of states now use a policy called Broad-Based Categorical Eligibility, or BBCE. This is the most important thing to understand. BBCE allows states to waive the asset test for many applicants. This means that in a state with BBCE, as long as you meet the income requirements, the amount of money you have in your bank account doesn't matter. They are primarily concerned with the money coming into your household each month, not the money you have saved. Because over 40 states use this policy, for millions of Americans, the answer is effectively no. The food stamp office does not check or care about their bank account balance. But this is not the case everywhere. A growing number of states are moving to verify assets more closely to reduce errors and fraud. These states use a tool called the Asset Verification System, or AVS. AVS is an electronic system that gives the state agency the ability to directly and quickly check the balances of the bank accounts you list on your application. If you live in a state that has an asset limit and uses AVS, then the answer is a definite yes. They will check your bank account when you apply and when you recertify your benefits. It's also crucial to distinguish between income and assets. Every state will verify your income. They will ask for pay stubs, benefit letters, or other proof of the money you earn each month. The bank account check is about your assets, which is the money already sitting there. So, the bottom line is this: you have to know your state's specific rules. The best way to find out is to go to your state's official SNAP program website. Lying on your application is never a good idea and can lead to serious penalties, including being disqualified from the program and having to pay back benefits. I hope this clears up the confusion around this very important topic. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more clear and direct information.